Are you curious about the best way to retrieve data from your Spark application? If you've been using collect and are wondering if toLocalIterator might be faster, you're in the right place. Let's dive into this topic together. I totally understand your concern. Many developers face this dilemma when trying to optimize their Spark applications. It's frustrating when you want to get data quickly, but aren't sure which method to use. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, which is faster in Spark, collect or toLocalIterator? They mentioned that collect sends the entire RDD at once, while toLocalIterator returns an iterator. Let's explore the performance differences between these two methods. So what's the difference in performance? Collect retrieves all the data at once, which can lead to memory issues if the data set is large. On the other hand, toLocalIterator streams the data, which can be more memory efficient but may have different execution times. Let's break this down further. Stay tuned. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that can help you optimize your Spark applications even further. To understand the performance differences between collect and toLocalIterator, let's first look at what each method does. The user should know that collect retrieves all the data from the executors and sends it to the driver as a single array. On the other hand, toLocalIterator returns an iterator that allows the user to process elements one at a time. This means that it does not require all data to be loaded into memory at once, which can be beneficial for memory management. In terms of speed, collect can be faster for smaller datasets since it retrieves all data in one go. However, for larger datasets, toLocalIterator can be more efficient because it reduces memory pressure and allows for processing data incrementally. The user should also consider the specific use case. If the application requires all data at once for analysis, collect might be the better choice. But if the user needs to process data in a streaming fashion, toLocalIterator is likely the way to go. In summary, the user should choose between collect and toLocalIterator based on the size of the dataset and the specific requirements of their application. Testing both methods in their environment can also provide insights into performance. Fun fact, Spark was named after the spark of creativity that drives innovation in big data processing. Just like choosing the right method can spark your application's performance. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user explains that toLocalIterator is a method used to collect data from an RDD scattered across a cluster into a single node. Unlike collect, which returns a complete list, toLocalIterator provides an iterator for processing data incrementally. After applying a function to an RDD, you can call toLocalIterator to access all contents and process them. If you need to transform the data back into an RDD, use Spark context to parallelize it again. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always consider the size of your dataset and the memory capacity of your driver when choosing between collect and toLocalIterator. This can save you from performance headaches down the line. And there you have it. Understanding the differences between collect and toLocalIterator can significantly improve your Spark application's performance. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.